Now, I'm no meteorologist, but I am pretty sure it's not supposed to snow in Pennsylvania in the middle of January. Something's definitely up. Guys, I'm getting really paranoid right now. I'm texting Peyton to see what she thinks of this. So I sent her this really reasonable sounding text about the storm, and she told me to chill myself. Look at this! Right there! Right there, look at that! Ah! Okay. So I sent her this thing that, there was a possibility of who the culprit could be behind this, snowstorm. Let's see what she thinks of that. Okay, so I'm getting really scared because she hasn't responded for 2 minutes. I'm really nervous. Could the storm have gotten her? Do storms eat people? Is that a thing? She texted back. Seriously, you're going to be fine. Calm down. Looks like I'm gonna have to deal with this on my own. Okay, so I got my Magnus Chase shield, and I'm ready to storm the storm, okay? This could get dangerous. It is cold. So it looks like fighting the storm directly isn't going to be a possibility. But know what is? We can fight the storm at its source. I missed! I missed again! Die, beach! So yeah, fighting at the source didn't really go well. And I don't really have any backup, because look at that. She's busy, silently plotting her next headcanon. Maybe fighting it isn't the way to go. Maybe we should, reasonably talk to it.
Oh, no. Jump! Don't.
So yeah, the storm didn't give me any vibes. I don't think it wanted to talk to me. Probably busy at the time. Maybe I should just accept what Peyton said, that, a storm is just a storm and that's all it is.
Think again, bitch.
What?
I said think again, bitch.
It's Keone the Snow Bitch.
That's right, and I have come for my revenge.
Walter, you want to take it from here? Owls, the ultimate monster-slaying weapons.